Eric Mallory. I'm the principal with Eureka Ventures, headquartered in Indianapolis, Indiana. Company does development, whether it be for my own account or for third parties. Over the years, I would say it probably started in 1995, have done over 10 projects with IMC. That anywhere from a large shopping center in Cherry Hill, New Jersey, to another center in Warrington. Moved to a different company, Developers Diversified. We did a very big project in Mount Laurel, New Jersey, as well as a major center on a hazardous waste dump in Boston, and several more projects, including a renovation and addition to a center in Princeton, New Jersey. Well, it's always the same service. It's the service is managing the project, and particularly the construction process, which goes from the very conception of a project through handing the keys over to property management. And I really have only worked with them in that capacity because that's the only way that I like to work with a contractor, as part of the team, as opposed to a contractor who bids a project and then is stuck with it. I want them to be stuck with it because they've managed it the whole way through. There's always project challenges. They're different on every site. Currently, we're working on a project that is 32-acre former granite mine that was 285 foot deep, subsequently been filled with dirt and other material, and we're going to redevelop it or develop it into a shopping center. Some of the projects we've dealt with in the past was a hazardous waste dump in Boston in the flight path of Logan Airport that had enormous number of issues, not the least of which was an extreme shortage of labor due to the fact that the big dig was occurring in Boston at the same time. So we couldn't get material and we couldn't get labor at a reasonable price. And we were working on a site that was a hazardous waste dump. And every time we put a building in, we had to put it on piles. So we had a lot of issues, a lot of timing problems, a lot of cost issues. And those are the projects where I've been most happy with IMC, and being able to rely upon and trust what they say. There's always going to be things that come up. The thing that separates IMC is always feel like they're part of the team, as opposed to somebody in the peanut gallery shooting rubber bands at me. And that's what's important when stuff happens. IMC's employees are very professional and are part of the team rather than adjunct, and that's what makes it special, because we've all got the same objective, which is to develop the project and get it constructed, but everything that occurs between the inception of a project and the construction is the important parts, and it's all part of eliminating risk and optimizing the project. Descriptive words to describe IMC would be reliable, trustworthy, and responsible.